So before this video gets started, if you are an Uber driver, a Lyft driver, or a gig worker and you want paid time off, if you want paid time off, sick leave, you want protection if you get into accidents, if you want income protection, if you want protection if you ever get deactivated, hospitalized, if you ever do get deactivated and you want your account back as well, there's a brand new company that just launched and they got $1.6 million in funding. They're doing same day cash transfers to drivers, to gig workers for, you know, paid time off, all that stuff. If you want that, the company is called Cover. And if you use my link down below, you get 30 days for free. It does start at $7 a month. But again, if you use my link, you get 30 days for free. No commitments, no annual contracts. You can cancel and pause at any time. The company is called Cover. At least check it out. At least click my link down below and accept that gift of 30 days for free. And now let's get on to the video. Hello everyone, welcome back to the #1 rideshare YouTube channel in the world, baby. It's the Rideshare Hub. You're watching Dylan. How's it going, everyone? Welcome back. So today's video, we're talking about what Lyft just announced to every single driver in the state of California. This is crazy. They launched this announcement to every driver except for me. I don't know why I didn't get it, but I'm gonna show you guys the announcement. I'm a Lyft driver in California. Lyft, do you not want me to keep driving? If you guys don't know what's going on, not apparently, but over the past couple of weeks, Uber and Lyft have been basically forced almost by themselves, which I guess is a choice, to shut down in California because of a recent court ruling. And they decided that, hey, you know what? You want us to pay all of our drivers at least minimum wage and give them benefits and treat them like employees? Let me think about it. Nah, we'll just shut down instead. Uber and Lyft are savage. If you're an Uber and Lyft driver, keep in mind, you're working for a savage company. So let's get right into the announcement, because there is some craziness that you do not want to miss, even if you're in another state. Why? Because it could potentially be coming to your town soon. Also, before I get into it, if you could please do me one simple favor and leave the video a big thumbs up. You guys might have seen my recent apartment tour where I gave a little tour of my apartment to you guys. I thought I would switch it up on the channel, throw you a little curveball and show you where I live as an Uber and Lyft driver. And I actually told you guys how much money I pay for my apartment, gave you a tour. So you can go check it out. But I did want to say, you know, I'm in the process of moving and I still want to give you guys these videos. So if you could please leave the video a big thumbs up. In between moving and like taking stuff up and going shopping and getting furniture and stuff, I'm filming and I'm editing so I can keep giving you guys news, because I feel like I would have regretted it if I didn't, you know, cover all this craziness. I know we're in history making right now, so if you could please leave the video a thumbs up just to show appreciation. It makes me feel better and helps support me. So and also check out the links down below in the description. There's a lot of really cool things down there. You can get paid time off as an Uber and Lyft driver, sick leave, benefits. There's a company that's doing that. You can get 30 days of that for free. Cash back in your gas. Uber's doing retroactive sign-up referral promos now. Lyft is doing sign-up promos. There's a lot of stuff down there. Check out the links in the description down below. A lot of cool things for gig workers. So without further ado, let's get started. So today we are diving into my Facebook group that I actually own. I'm the owner of this. As you can see, that's me right there. Who's that handsome looking? That's a corny looking smile. I gotta. Oh, who's that right next to me? No, I'm just kidding. Those are my friends. At UC Berkeley. Great place. There's Kevin out there too. Shout out to anyone who remembers Kevin. But here we go. So, by the way, if you guys want to see some freaking arguments, go into this Facebook group. People are just yelling at each other all day in here. Angelo Moreniso goes, "We won." Oh gosh. I don't even want to. These comments crack me up. We won. So yeah, let's get into the update here. Like even this, California, USA Uber and Lyft drivers are owed an estimated $1.4 billion. 1.004 bruh, if you're gonna say 1.4, don't write 1.004. Who's in California doesn't want to be an employee? Let's organize. Organize what? You can't even meet up right now. I do not know who these stupid people are wanting to be employees. Full-time is 40 hours a week. No overtime. Can be 8 hours a day, 5 days a week scheduled. Rideshare Guy and all these stupid people have no idea what... Bruh, do you realize that it's the government, not YouTubers who are controlling this stuff? Here we go, here's the update. This is on Lyft, lyft.com. They goes, updated, we're back on. Update, rideshare is on. The California court has granted our request for a further stay, so our rideshare operations can continue uninterrupted for now. Thanks to tens of thousands of drivers, riders, and public officials who urge California to keep rideshare available for so many people who depend on it. Yeah, here we go, update, rideshare is on. The California court has granted our request. They previously said they were gonna shut down at 11:59, but apparently it's on now. But you can still use the scooters. Yeah, in LA, scooters are still around like crazy. They're everywhere. Yeah, available in LA, Santa Monica, UCLA, and San Diego. All right, guys, that's it. I just want to share this update with you guys. As of now, rideshare is on. Uber and Lyft are not shutting down because the court allowed them to have an extension, so they will not be shutting down, which is absolutely nuts, but that's the current status on this all. Thank you for watching today's video. I will keep you guys updated as things progress. And again, check out the links down below for all helpful information, links, articles, extra ways to make money, all that good stuff. I'll talk to you all soon. Have a great day and make sure to subscribe. And again, give the video a big thumbs up for me making these videos while I move. And yeah, it just helps me out a lot. So thank you, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye, guys.